We have a very diverse mix of people in this audience today. We have almost 30 countries are represented, but we have a singular passion, which is to really think about precision medicine and how it can be used to improve patient outcomes.
And in Singapore, we have an aging population with an increasing burden of chronic disease. We have rising healthcare expenditure. We recognize that fundamental changes are needed in our healthcare system to improve our population health and to do so in an affordable and sustainable manner. And to deal with these challenges, we have prioritized research in areas such as precision and preventive medicine, population health, and the outcomes of healthy and meaningful longevity.
The right way for us to do this is in partnership with strong local cohorts. The combination of PRECISE and IHCC, I think, has created much of the magic of this meeting. It wasn't just IHCC, it wasn't just PRECISE, it was a true partnership.